Hi guys, welcome to my channel We Will Win. Ganesh Chaturthi, the festival that is loved by Mumbaites. Last year, when all this Ganesh Chaturthi was celebrated in all pomp, there is a small story about a small kid, a poor little kid, who stayed near one of the pandals. He came to know that this pandal used to give a very good, delicious laddu as prasad after the aarti. So he went to that pandal, stood in the queue after the aarti, along with all the devotees. He reached for the prasad. The pujari gave him a laddu. This small kid, poor little kid, his hands very small. He took the prasad, but while going out, it fell out of his hand and into a ditch. He was very sad. Now what can he do? He cannot go and ask for the laddu again. He again went and stood in the queue. Again, now the queue had become longer. He stood patiently in that queue. Again he came to the pandal, took the laddu. Unfortunately, again it fell down. He did not worry. He again went and stood in the queue. This happened 3-4 times. Finally, again he came to the pandal. By then, the laddus were almost over. So, what the bhaji did was, whatever leftover was there, those crumbs of laddus, he gathered everything and gave it to that kid. So now, the kid got much more than he would have got earlier. So, the kid was very happy. Though it was not a full laddu, but he got much more than what he would have earlier got. So here, the message is, like the pujari, God also is seeing your acts, is seeing your efforts, is seeing your patience all the time. He is seeing that you are trying again and again, and He will reward you for the patience. Do not stop being patient. Patience and perseverance will always see that you reach great heights. Patience. What is patience? Patience is not only the ability to wait, but the ability to wait with the right attitude. Now, let me tell you a small story about myself. As you all know, in my earlier videos I've already told you, I worked for a national bank. There, I put on some 6 to 8 years of service. Then, there was an opportunity for a promotion, for which we had to give a written exam, and then we will be called for an interview. I passed the written exam and was called for an interview. The interview went on well. I was confident that I'll pass through and get promoted. However, it did not happen. I was very sad. I was heartbroken. I did not know what to do. I did not know why I did not get through. I used to curse my own luck. I used to curse the reservation policies, and somehow was in a depressed state of mind. After a few months, these new private sector banks came into being. We know this: UTI Bank, ICICI Bank, HDFC Bank. UTI Bank was the first new generation private sector bank that was launched in India. The then finance minister, Mr. Manmohan Singh, inaugurated the first branch of UTI Bank. After a few months, I was called for an interview and I jumped and fortunately got selected. And then I joined UTI Bank, which is now Axis Bank. And with a big long tenure of 22 years in Axis Bank. Guys, let me tell you, if I had got promoted in my earlier nationalized bank, I would have remained very happy and never thought of changing banks. It was only because I was not promoted there did I feel the need to look out for something. I was patient enough to have my senses with me and wait for the right opportunity. And this opportunity was again given by God. When He failed me in that interview, He had plans for me. He knew that probably if I had passed there, I would have stayed there. And with joining of Axis Bank, I can say that I was fortunate enough to join Axis Bank, and then for the last 22 years I have made enough money and name and respect which probably may not have come my way if I was in my earlier national bank. So guys, patience, persistence and perspiration make an unbeatable combination for success. This is my message to you. And yes, have patience. Patience in yourself, patience in God. So this is my message, and I hope you have liked this video. If you have liked this video, please share it with your friends, family, colleagues, and subscribe to this channel so that you may get the future videos that I post. And yes, I am planning a series of videos on some motivational developmental topics. I'd like all of you to keep watching these videos and write back your comments and suggestions. Thank you.